In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Streamlabs game capture not working. So sometimes when you're trying to do a game capture and record or stream a certain game on your Streamlabs on your computer, the desktop version, it may happen that two of the things might happen. So the first one is this screen that you see over here where it says looking for a game to capture and your game is not recognized at all on your computer. Or the second one is that your game is recognized but the screen is black. And I'm going to show you how to fix this. Now in this case, as you can see, it says looking for a game to capture and it does not find the game I'm trying to capture on my computer. And that's how we fix it. So you want to actually delete this game capture over here, and instead of having the game capture, we want to do a window capture, which you can find down here where it says window capture, and then add source. Then you can name it however you like to. In my case, it's going to stay as window capture. Then click on add source. And now you have to select a window, and you'll see that when you go inside here, your window will be available. So here are multiple windows I have ready, and I want to select this Steam one, so to show my Steam application, okay, as a Windows capture. There we go. And in case that doesn't work either and the screen still remains to be black, you want to select this capture mode over here and switch it from automatic to bit BLT. And in case that does not work either, the third one definitely will. So the Windows 10, you click on it and bam, as you can see, it is now working and Steam is showing up. I have Steam pulled up on my other monitor over here, and as you can see, you can now actually see it. If I click done, you can then of course extend it however you like to. But yeah, as you can see, it's now capturing the game, and I'm inside the game clicking around the Steam store and doing different things, and it's working perfectly well. And so yeah, that's it. It's going to work for any game. The only thing you want to do is switch from game capture to window capture, and that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.